Here's what's next on Project C10. All right, so these are our gauges. Actually love these things. Classic Instruments. Just love the style. The red ties right in with the gray and red interior that we're going with. And then all the wiring. So a lot of people, yeah, put the gauges in. Well, there's more to it than just set them in place. So in here in the back, I've got all my connections, so it's easy. So if I got to take the dash out, I just unplug it. So that's kind of a goal there. So I've got basically just all of them connected. Also, we got a digital speedometer. So that's pretty much it. So this is going in. Just like that. Oops. Like that.
Okay, we're gonna blame it on Andrew or John. Yeah. So do you want to tighten those first to get the
Remove it. Oh, yeah.
Now you need to pull towards you. All right, so we're making a lot of progress. We've had, obviously, as we've talked about in this project, a lot of the ability for us to work consistently was dependent on claims in the collector car program.
Right.
So we have had some natural disasters.
Yeah.
Obviously this year.
A couple of hurricanes, some
Right.
big fires, things like that. That's limited and slowed the project down,
Right.
which, yeah, the customer comes first.
Yeah.
So we have to do that.
Kind of what are we on to next? I know we got doors and front fenders.
Well,
and
I want to finish the dash and get all of that done, all the wiring done, and then get the fuel system in and get that done. The line, everything's there. We just
Right.
got to plug and play. And then we can actually play around with putting fluids in and everything like that, maybe fire the engine up just to make sure it's done. It should be okay. I mean, we didn't do anything major to it, so we should be able to fire it right up. So we get that, we're going to hang the doors will be next. The doors are kind of the next milestone. The bed was one, the doors are next. So getting the doors on without screwing anything up because everything's painted, and routing the wires because we've got power windows now, and getting that all dialed in and getting the glass in is always, usually most people dread that.
Right.
You know, so, but the good thing is we already pre-fitted the glass and the everything beforehand, so it should just go into place. Fingers crossed.
Yeah.
Right, so we'll see how that goes.
All right, stay tuned.